Pranam. Language plays a prominent role in one's life and is the essence of one's culture. The rich cultural heritage and historical significance of Mithila is well represented by its Maithili.
Language that was named on the daughter of Videha, Mata Sita. Mithila, the land of great warrior, teachers, saints and scholars, where knowledge and enlightenment resides.
Where women were always at the forefront. The land which believed in giving more than gaining.
The land of Rajrishi Chanak, Kavi Kokil Vidyapati, the land of Gargi, Maitri and Vaidehi.
The land of historians, poets, musicians, kings and priests.
This is Mithila.
And this is Mithila for you and us.
Now to delve deeper into the roots of Mithila, knowing the language is the most important thing.
So know your language, know your Maithili.
Now to impart such an education about spoken Maithili language,
we are planning to start an online tutorial. Let us know if you or someone you know is interested.
or you would like to suggest something.
Drop down in comments.